morning, I'm Eric Gonzalez, and this is our first edition of Hacienda News. A lot of changes happening. This is the first official day of fall, so a lot of changes in the air, changes in temperature, but that's not the only change we're here to discuss. Huge change happening for Hacienda Ford is the addition of their second store in Alice, Texas. So big congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Yoder and everybody else in the Hacienda organization for helping out and making this happen. So we want to say congratulations on the new store, Hacienda Ford of Alice.
Eric, this has been an amazing transition. The community has welcomed us with open arms. The employees have been amazing, and we are just having so much fun.
Congratulations to everybody that's involved. Have some other changes coming out as well. We have a second quick lane coming up, and with a little bit more info on that, I'm going to turn it over to our quick lane director, Santos Rodriguez.
That's right, Eric. We're here on site at the new quick lane on the corner of Canton and Jackson, doing the finishing touches up here, and we should be opening up to the public here very soon. Back to you.
Thank you, Santos, for that information. I know our first quick lane has been a huge success, and we're looking forward to the second one and all the success that one will bring as well. And now to talk a little bit more about the hottest vehicle that we have on the market right now, here's Andrea Guerra to tell us a little bit about the Ford Bronco.
Thank you, Eric. Ford has recently announced 2 more exterior colors for the 2022 Ford Bronco, Eruption Green and Hot Pepper Red. For more details, give us a call.
Place your order today. I know these things are flying off the trailer, so make sure you come by and see us. In keeping with changes with the dealership, we also have a second mobile service van coming in an effort to make sure that we get our services out to you and make it the most convenient as possible. We are ramping up the amount of mobile service vans that we have available to our customers. So if you have an oil change or need a recall done, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And now I'd like to end it with a few milestones that we have. These are anniversaries for people that have actually put in a lot of hard time and work into our organization. I want to give a big shout out to Rick Novato, who has completed 20 years with Hacienda. He is the director of our collision centers and has done an excellent job of not just building that collision department, but also making it easier to employ more people and help our organization grow. So again, thank you to Rick and everybody else who has put in the time and the effort for us. That is all we have for this edition of Hacienda News. Once again, my name is Eric Gonzalez, and we'll see you next time.